Alright, here we are at DFW Airport. Pouring out in the middle of International Parkway. Take a look at this steel. There were 2 mats of number 4. Steel chairs and tied to the dowels on 8-inch centers. Using the vibrator there to keep the air voids out. Mario, our superintendent. Guys have been here. Showed up at 12 o'clock. Showed up at 12 o'clock last night. Started the saw cutting. And the dig out this morning at 5 o'clock. Hauled off 4 end dump loads of concrete. And we're pouring it here from the inside edge is 9 inches to the outside is 14 inches. 7-sack concrete. So they can drive on this on Monday. Today's Saturday about 1:30. They'll be driving on the concrete Monday if they want to. This traffic here doesn't really like what's going on. Look at this airplane coming over here. This is cool. Oh yeah. Here we go. This is our number 3 truck. Got 20 yards down. This will make 30 when we get this down. The whole job's going to take about 35 yards today. I said these guys have been working since 5 o'clock this morning. About 2 o'clock Saturday afternoon, January the 8th. The airport wouldn't let us close these 2 lanes down except on a Saturday, but still causing a lot of congestion. They're wanting to rush this job through because of the Super Bowl. Trying to get the airport spiffed up for the Super Bowl. Still working on this 3rd truck. Show you these guys pulling the screed. Guys working from this angle. Juan Perez there has got his pants on the ground. Pants on the ground. What kind of fool wears his pants on the ground? Look at that. Juan, come on. Come on, man. Bell working the screed. He's one of the foremen. It's hard to walk on that steel so close together like the way it is there. Worked out on 12-inch centers. The thing, that's why we have them on the steel chairs. In town, obviously, and they wanted to put their best foot forward, get some of these concrete repairs completed. This is our getting close to the finished product back here at the back. We'll come in and give a light broom finish to this. That's all we'll need. And then we'll get out of here. Get everything cleaned up. And the concrete will be ready to drive on Monday morning. Yeah, good job. Real quick. Get in, get the job done, get out, get it back in use.